Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an exciting entry I just took on Coai. I've bought some on the bull side here around $2.20. Following my outlook from yesterday, I believe the bottom could be in, and the bull reaction could be absolutely massive. This is a high-stakes trade because we've seen incredible volatility on COAI, but my analysis shows the price is currently holding a strong demand zone after a sharp pullback. The price has followed my lines nicely for a retest, and now it's time to see if the bounce plays out. For those who need context, COAI, or Chain Opera AI, is a decentralized AI ecosystem that has seen parabolic moves this month, going from less than 50 cents to peaks near $5.77 in early October, before a strong correction. It's an AI narrative play that carries huge volatility. I've taken my entry around $2.20, but this is not financial advice, and you must manage your risk. This is a high volatility trade, but the potential upside is huge if the bull setup confirms. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.